Scott with Peel-Tek, and we're on a remodel job right here, and I have to shoot this door frame with some paint, and I don't want to get that paint on my brick, and I'm going to tell you this is where Peel-Tek really shines, and I'll show you how. So see, I'm going to take the handy applicator that'll be out here in a few weeks, and I'm just going to run a bead right down, right on the brick and the mortar. And about a 1/4 inch away from the door frame here, because it'll kind of squeeze out as you place it in. And then I'm going to put a couple little spots out here to hold the paper from flapping around when I get it up. Okay, here we go. Up here, a little bit up there to hold that in place a little better, a little more right there, and there you have it. You can't do that with tape, folks. This is this mortar and this brick, and this is where Peel-Tek really shines. We masked this yesterday on the brick and the mortar so that we could paint this door frame right here, and I went ahead and let the Peel-Tek dry overnight because this is such a rough surface that you really want to make sure it's dry before you peel it off. Otherwise, you're going to leave a bunch behind and have to let it dry. As you can see, it's coming off. And you want to kind of grab close to it because it is a very rough, porous surface. And so this is the technique for peeling that. As you can see, as long as she's good and dry, she's peeling right off. And if you do get a little spot, just rub it and it'll come right off. You got to see that piece right there? Peels right off. And there you go. Thank you.